Soil is an innovation in the field of education, because it focuses not just on the IQ of people but also on their EQ and their other forms of intelligence. So, in that sense, we respect everybody and uh, try to help him discover his own potential and leverage and build on that to be successful. Because it is not just knowing your technical matter which can make you successful in life. There are many other qualities which are required for you to lead a well balanced and successful life. Um, so our learning design focuses on that, on developing leadership rather than only inculcating management knowledge into the students. So I think that way the vision is much larger, and what we have is also relevant to different market segments which attracts them to soil. We have a 1 year program for people with prior work experience. If you want to spend 2 years and you want to do a fast pace, and they're able to do it because they have prior work experience and they're able to pick up the concepts well in class in that short span. And we also have a 2 year AICT approved campus for people who want learning at a more easy pace. So, so that helps to attract students of both these kinds who would like to finish their MBA. And of course, people who are, relying not just on uh, their high intelligence levels, but also have many other capabilities and strengths which they wish to leverage upon. Like I said, all our programs except NMAT as an entrance test, people who've gone through and taken that exam, it gives us the confidence that the candidate has cleared that round of assessment on his ability to think logically, quantitative ability, and the communication aspect. So, so we work on data from NMAT and work with all kinds of candidates in across all our programs. He should have adequate amount of intelligence and capability to pick up the technical aspects of a high quality curriculum which soil brings. Plus, he should also have the right kind of attitude to work hard and be able to uh, inspire himself and inspire others around him to contribute to the objectives of our program. So we have 5 pillars here which we call as a value system, and we focus on developing competence, character, and enthusiasm. So the student, I feel, should have the technical ability plus also the right kind of attitude to be able to work with the learning design and develop and transform himself. It is fairly important to us because I feel that the test design and the format is very compatible with our philosophy. So it gives the right amount of flexibility to the students. It allows them to perform without any undue pressure or fear. So I've spoken to a few students who have come through that channel, and they tell me that the test gives them a lot of confidence to work. It allows multiple attempts also to the students. So if you have had a bad day, you can go for it another day and improve your scores. So which is what the soil philosophy is also all about, that we like to develop our students in a very free and very uh, you know atmosphere where students are not under any pressure, under any fear or anxiety. So NMAT is important. We have a substantial amount of class which has come through NMAT this year, especially. And I'm noticing that the quality of these students is really, really above average. And they are not just performing well in class, but also, taking on leadership roles and, contributing to the other activities in the school. So I think the test has done wonders for the school. I would say that we give, certain weightage to an entrance exam, but we also have our own psychometric analysis and our own process of interview, where we like to, assess the student on all parameters of his, leadership qualities, as well as, relationship management, apart from, of course, the competence levels. So when it comes to gauging the competence levels in the communication, NMAT definitely stands out. But then, whether it kind of stands out vis-a-vis the other, you know, uh, other kind of entrance exams is something that we haven't really worked upon and researched about. But prima facie, like I said, if I see the quality of students who come through NMAT, uh, I feel very reassured that it aligns very well with our philosophy, and therefore is a good fitment for the